Lesson: Documenting and Interpreting Findings. Documenting and interpreting findings in the context of AI auditing is a critical skill for professionals aiming to ensure compliance and uphold ethical standards. This aspect of AI auditing involves systematically capturing evidence, analyzing it, and drawing meaningful conclusions that inform decision-making processes. To achieve proficiency in this area, professionals must be equipped with robust tools, techniques, and frameworks that enhance their ability to address real-world challenges effectively. At the heart of documenting findings in AI auditing is the need for a structured approach that ensures all relevant data is captured accurately and comprehensively. One effective framework is the use of standardized templates for data collection and reporting. These templates guide auditors in systematically recording information such as the scope of the audit, methodologies employed, data sources, and key observations. By utilizing such templates, auditors can ensure that their documentation is consistent, comprehensive, and easily interpretable by stakeholders. For instance, a standardized template might include sections for noting algorithmic biases, data privacy concerns, and compliance with relevant regulations, providing a clear and organized means of capturing complex information. Interpreting findings requires a deep understanding of the data and context in which it was collected. A valuable tool in this regard is the SWOT analysis, which can be applied to AI systems to evaluate their performance and compliance with ethical standards. By assessing the strengths and weaknesses of an AI system, auditors can identify areas where the system excels and where improvements are necessary. Opportunities and threats provide insight into external factors that could impact the system's compliance and ethical standing. For example, an AI auditing team might identify a strength in the system's accuracy but a weakness in its lack of transparency, posing a threat to user trust. Such insights can guide recommendations for enhancing the system's ethical and compliant operation. Effective communication of findings is another crucial aspect of the AI auditing process. Visual tools such as data visualization software can enhance the interpretation and presentation of findings. Tools like Tableau or Power BI enable auditors to create interactive dashboards that display data trends, anomalies, and patterns in a visually engaging manner. This visual representation aids stakeholders in quickly grasping complex audit results and supports informed decision-making. For instance, a dashboard might illustrate how changes in an AI system's parameters affect outcomes, allowing stakeholders to visualize potential biases or ethical concerns. A practical example of documenting and interpreting findings can be drawn from the case of a financial institution auditing its AI-driven loan approval system. The auditing team employs a combination of standardized templates and SWOT analysis to document their findings. They discover that while the system's strength lies in its rapid processing capabilities, a significant weakness is its tendency to disproportionately deny loans to certain demographic groups, all raising ethical concerns. By presenting these findings through a detailed report and accompanying visualizations, the team effectively communicates the need for adjustments to the algorithm to ensure fairness and compliance with anti-discrimination laws. To further enhance proficiency in documenting and interpreting findings, professionals can leverage machine learning interpretability tools. These tools, such as LIME and SHAP, facilitate a deeper understanding of how AI models make decisions. LIME, for instance, breaks down complex models into simpler, interpretable components, allowing auditors to pinpoint specific factors influencing predictions. SHAP values provide a unified measure of feature importance, offering insights into why certain inputs lead to particular outputs. By incorporating these tools into the auditing process, professionals can ensure transparency and accountability in AI systems. Statistics play a vital role in interpreting findings and validating audit results. Statistical tests, such as hypothesis testing and regression analysis, enable auditors to assess the significance and implications of their findings. For example, hypothesis testing can be used to determine whether observed disparities in an AI system's performance across different demographic groups are statistically significant, guiding corrective actions. Regression analysis aids in identifying relationships between variables, providing a quantitative basis for recommendations. These statistical techniques offer auditors a rigorous approach to interpreting data and drawing evidence-based conclusions. A case study on the use of statistical analysis in AI auditing can be seen in the healthcare sector, where auditors evaluate an AI system used for diagnosing diseases. By applying regression analysis, the auditing team identifies a correlation between certain input variables and misdiagnosis rates. This finding prompts a reevaluation of the system's algorithm to improve accuracy and ensure patient safety. Through statistical analysis, the auditors not only interpret their findings, but also provide actionable insights that drive system enhancements. In addition to the aforementioned tools and techniques, collaboration and stakeholder engagement are crucial components of the documenting and interpreting process. Engaging with stakeholders, including AI developers, users, and regulatory bodies, provides auditors with diverse perspectives and insights that enrich their understanding of the findings. Collaborative workshops and feedback sessions enable auditors to validate their interpretations and ensure that their recommendations align with stakeholder expectations and requirements. This collaborative approach fosters a shared understanding of the audit outcomes and promotes a culture of transparency and accountability. To illustrate the importance of stakeholder engagement, consider the example of an AI auditing team working with a public transportation agency. The team conducts a series of workshops with agency officials, commuters, and AI developers to discuss the findings of an audit on an AI-powered scheduling system. Through these interactions, the team gains valuable insights into user experiences and system limitations, informing their recommendations for improving scheduling accuracy and passenger satisfaction. The integration of ethical considerations into the documenting and interpreting process is essential in AI auditing. Ethical frameworks, such as the IEEE Global Initiative on Ethics of Autonomous and Intelligent Systems, provide guidelines for evaluating AI systems' ethical implications. By assessing findings against ethical principles such as fairness, accountability, and transparency, auditors can ensure that their interpretations align with societal values and expectations. This ethical lens not only enhances the credibility of the audit, but also guides the development of AI systems that prioritize human welfare and social good. In conclusion, documenting and interpreting findings in AI auditing requires a comprehensive approach that combines structured documentation, analytical tools, stakeholder engagement, and ethical considerations. By employing standardized templates, SWOT analysis, visualization tools, interpretability techniques, statistical analysis, and ethical frameworks, professionals can effectively capture, analyze, and communicate audit findings. These tools and techniques empower auditors to provide actionable insights that drive improvements in AI systems, ensuring compliance with regulations and ethical standards. Ultimately, proficiency in documenting and interpreting findings is a cornerstone of effective AI auditing, enabling professionals to navigate the complexities of AI systems and contribute to their responsible and ethical deployment.